So today we'll start the plastering in the main bathroom. The plumber's going to be fitting the last of the actual bits in the ensuite, so that should be finished today. And I'm going to try really hard to get the plastering right this time and not overdo it. So just the ceiling and see how I get on. So all the plastering is done now. Tried to do it a little bit different than last time because I didn't like how it come out, and I feel like I've learnt a lot. So what I did is I made sure that my boards all ended, like the joins of my board all ended on brackets, and then I put in an extra piece of metal on the joins just because his sealing system seems to be really flexy. So any movement on those two different boards are going to crack. And then with these boards as well, they're tapered, so they're for doing jointing rather than plastering. I used a hard filler to fill all those all the tapered bits out, so it dried a lot harder because this plaster seemed to dry a lot powdery and soft compared to the UK multi-finish. But then, so once I've done that, I got a skim on and it went on lovely. Flanned it down. It's a lot cooler now as well, so it's drying a lot slower. And what I found is the more I play with it, like in the UK, you can trail it up as much as you want and nothing happens. But as you're trailing it up or messing around with a bit, you don't have to add any water, and it sort of brings it back to life. And if you go too far with it when you're playing around with the trail on it, it just starts peeling away from the layer underneath, and then it starts going wrong. So I left it alone. I trailed it up, flattened it down, gave it a little bit of a wet trail, and that was about it. And it's come out 100 times better, I feel like. Obviously I haven't put a coat of paint on it yet, but once I've got the paint on it, and hopefully won't have any cracks come through this time, so be a lot less work. But yeah, I'm a lot happier with this. I feel like I've got my head around this plaster now, so it won't be too scary to do it again. But yeah, just a learning curve. Couldn't find anything online for a like manufacturer's recommended way of installing the metal sealing or anything like that, so I've had to do a little bit trial and error really. I'm glad I did it on my own apartment rather than a customer's apartment, because that would be no good. But anyway, yeah, hope you like the plastering video, which is a bit later on. Just wanted to give an update of how the plaster was after I finished it compared to the rest of it. But yeah, if you like my videos, give us a like and subscribe please. Build my channel up, trying to get it a lot bigger. It'd be nice. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.